this is the power of basically network marketing. This is it's not like I have to put effort every day, today, and at all the time. So its thing is, in this business, our effort will be much more in the initial time, maybe around 6 months to 8 months. But once we have a good team, we need to nurture them. We need to make sure that whatever they are willing, they are able to achieve. And once they are on the track, then definitely our effort will reduce. So this is an opportunity, this is a platform from where we can get the early retirement, we can get the financial freedom, and we can achieve the dream. That's all from my side. Thank you, Sagar.
Okay. uh, Anyone else who wants to share their experience? Dipesh ji, Kuldeep ji, just for a minute, if you want to have already, I know we exceeded the time.
Hello, Sagar ji. So, DMC to all, and yeah, I also came a few months back.
You are coming very low.
Yes,
Can you
and
take mic to near you?
sorry. Now audible, sir?
Yeah, little okay.
Okay. So, Sagar ji also introduced me in this business a few months ago, and I also have a vision, and I also see that whatever I have achieved in my entire IT professional career, approximately of 7 years. So I have a vision that in approximately in 7 to 8 months, I am going to be in that stage where I am currently in my IT profession. So with the vision, with the opportunity, I have joined, and and we are growing with in a very whatever the position Sagar ji has just explained to us. So in that way only we are just growing, and we are having a vision that yeah, we are going to achieve that.
Sure. Thank you. This time. So here, if you can see, Mr. Sanjay Sahu, who's having group of more than 4 lakh now, because this screenshot I have taken almost 10 days back. And if I show his earning, so when he started in December 2014, you can see his first check was just 1,029 rupees. His second incentive was 753 rupees. And then slowly it increases, and gradually you can see in the third month when he became gold star, it was 25,000. And after that it keeps on increasing, 22,000, 22,000, 51,000, 86,000 when he became ruby, 60,000, 79,000, 79,000, 84,000. Almost in his 10th month he became chairman star, and 2,84,000 was his income, then 2,31,000. After that he never came back. You can see the progression in Jan 2016, it is 2,42,000. Then after having 2 lakh plus in 3 consecutive months, then it's 3 lakh. February 3 lakh, 4 lakh 16,000, 3 lakh 25,000, 3 lakh 13,000. His count increasing, and you can see here in the month of March 2017, it increases to 15 lakh 25,000. Somewhere around in just 10 months here, 10 months almost in 20 months he reached to this level where he got 15 lakh 25,000. That is per month income. This included RAB, that is Royal Annual Bonus check. Every month you are going to get that into your account, and on the annual basis in March month you are going to get it. So this 15 lakh 25,000 was the bonus. If you can see this check also, you can see performance bonus is this much, leadership bonus is 1 lakh 17, travel fund is to 21,000, 26,000 is bike fund, car fund, house fund, chairman fund, ambassador fund. So these many funds you will be getting, but still this crown ambassador, president and crown president fund here I have not got till this time. And in few checks you will be seeing this fund will be also increasing. So total total in March 2017 he got this. In the next year, in March 2018, his annual bonus was somewhere around 20 lakh 73,000. Overall, his check was 27 lakh 93,220. And here you can see now, apart from ambassador fund, he started getting crown ambassador fund, president fund, crown president fund, and super royalty. So all this income is also whatever I showed you on the plan, you will be getting here on the checks. It's third year check. So he is Mr. Sanjay Shahu, the crown president star. 48 lakh 59,000. You can see here in this check, 48 lakh 59,000 is this incentive. And almost all the funds he is getting, including the crown president fund. 41 lakh 48,000 was his RAB check, along with the normal monthly check, and including his annual bonus. In his third year, he got this 48 lakh 59,000 check. So this is the power of multi-level marketing which you will be getting. Likewise, one more example is from our upline is Ved Prakash. Mr. Ved Prakash Ojha sir is having. He's also a crown president star, and his check in the last year, this check is of March 2020, just before 2 months, was somewhere around 50 lakh. If I talk about Mr. Sanjay Sahu, for the March 2020, his check was 78 lakh 66,000. Here you can see the incentive, where he's getting all the funds, and 78 lakh 66,000 was his check in the last month. And if I talk about the top achievers of the company, Royal Annual Bonus, Mr. Akhtar Khanwala was having 20 lakh, Ved Prakashar was having 40 lakh, this Shivkan Mishra brothers were having 48 lakhs check, and Dharmen Chaudhary sir was having 52 lakh, Kunal Kamraji was having somewhere around 69 lakh, and the third topmost achiever in Royal Annual Bonus was our Sanjay sir, whose check was 72 lakh 43,000 in the last financial year, 2019-2020. Then Ajay Kumar Sharma ji was there, around 78.5 lakh check, and then Prem Kumar sir, who was the Kohinoor of the year also, he got somewhere around 93.5 lakh check. And if I talk about the Karodpati Club, we are having Lakhpati and the Karodpati Club also. Ajay Man sir, again he is coming in our upline, somewhere around 1.4 crore was his earning for the last financial year, and 1.5 crore was Shivkant Mishra's brother's earning, and he was farmer and belongs to very small village. And he used to just travel in bus, where 35 rupees was the cost of one side fare, and every day he used to work like anything for 2 to 3 months. Then he started his group. Nobody supported from his home or from his village. But then after so much effort and hard work, now he is very successful in this business. And the sixth most achiever from the company in the Karodpati Club is Sanjay sir, whose last year earning was around 1.8 crore, roughly. Then Kunal Kamra ji is there, around 1.85 crore. Then Ved Prakash sir is around 2 crore. Dharmen Chaudhary sir is there, around 2.1 crore. And then Ajay Man ji is there, around 2.25 crore. And the topmost earner of the company is around 3 crore, roughly 2.95 crore, Prem Kumar ji in the last month. So these many achievers of the company and organization are there, and when I was showing you the projection, they are the people who did it actually. If you talk about Sanjay sir, almost in last 5.5 years, he earned more than 5.5 crore. So we can also come into that league. For doing that, if you want to start, I would recommend you personally, best way to start is with the outlet. Why to start with outlet is, if I talk in my team itself, my father-in-law has started with the outlet when the outlet opening was in the 55,000 rupees. Jitenji also started with outlet in 30,000 during this COVID in the last month. My brother-in-law started in the with outlet. My sister started with outlet, and I think in your apartment itself, Jitenji's apartment itself, Somnathji started with 30,000 outlet. Dipesh started with 30,000 outlet. So when you are having outlet, you won't be getting much earning from outlet. You will be getting main earning from networking. But when I was saying 89% is been distributed no, of the business volume, and remaining 11%, out of that 11%, 10% business volume you can get from the outlet. And when you will be having outlet, you can give services to your individual team. And how to open outlet is very simple, just by paying 30,000 rupees. And again, this is not investment. You will be getting product worth somewhere around 40 to 45,000 rupees, MRP rupees. And if you want to do retailing, that 30,000 products you can sell it in 35,000 also. If you are not selling, if you know, can have some boy, some courier boy or someone, he can sell on your behalf also, uh, in 20,000 and 25,000, something like that. So start with big. So when Jitenji started, he started with the Eagle billing. At once he started with 7,500 BB and got the percentage of 25%. My sister's husband, he also started with 7,500 BB. I also started with 7,500 BB. My mom and dad. So start with big. If you're having big vision, there is no risk, no investment as such. And no, so just by keeping the time in mind, I will just like to conclude it here, and I'm opening the forum for the questions if you are having any. Now I can just show you my profile also. This is my wife's name, Nikita Dilip Talmale. So last month itself, you can see the silver star level is what she got, and maintained is superstar, which means silver star level you need to do for 3 months. And here, if I want to show you the count, by this month end, it will be 500 odd people we will be having. Session got expired. I will just log in quickly. By the time, if you are having any query, you can chat. You can put it over the chat. So everything is on the, so here 499 is the itself, roughly 500 is the group. So in 5 months, 500 is the group size. In my projection, what we were seeing is in 5 months, just 16 people. This is not 16, which means the projection which I had taken was very less, and obviously you can grow more. If I go and show the incentive also, you can see the progress is likewise only. First month 1600, second month 4200, third month because of lockdown 1800, and last month it was 6,000, and this month it will be somewhere around 10,000, and again it is going to increase. So roughly in an year it will be more than 2 lakh is what. And in detail, and as I was saying, if I open my first month's check, which I was showing you, and whatever I told you, it was 100% factual data. So you can see 26,689 was the business volume. In the second month, it was 50,000. But how much in our projection we calculated? In our projection, we calculated just 2,000. See here, second month statement, where you can see the business volume is 50,000. And it was the previous business volume, total business volume was 76,000, somewhere around that. So if you go by that projection, if you just duplicate yourself, there is very big power in this business, this multi-level marketing. If you just duplicate one by one, and definitely there are many successful people who got success here. If I talk about myself, uh, somewhere around 2.85 lakh per month I am earning, being senior manager in IT industry. But still, apart from that, if I am serious in this business, somewhere I am seeing that vision. Somewhere I am having full confidence in this company, organization, the upline, the Sanjay sir with whom we used to interact directly. Like yesterday, me and Jiten ji along with Sanjay sir, the entire night we were planning for the future and all those things. So he is giving so much support to us that I'm damn sure in 18 months somewhere I'm going to earn more than 8 lakh rupees. That projection where we were having 16,000, 8,000 group. If they 8,000 people roughly on an average, if they are taking 1,000 BV, 80 lakh BV, you will be having an 8 lakh per month will be your. So that's it. I would like to conclude